Do you ever wonder if you are doing everything you can to prevent future illness? As individuals, we should be the ones to manage our health and wellness and our decisions. Often, our signature lies in our saliva. This non-invasive form of testing can help give us a look inside of our body.
We're living in a time where wellness and well-being is really being revolutionized. Consumers want to know what's going on inside their bodies. They spend a lot of money on staying healthy. So whether it's taking supplements, whether it's participating in wellness programs, exercise equipment, gym memberships, but yet they can see what's changing on the external, but they don't know necessarily what's going on in the inside. And so the next generation of testing really allows them to participate in their own healthcare. Saliva testing is one way to do that.
Using a saliva test has many benefits. This non-invasive test is fast, easy to use, and offers faster results versus many blood-drawn tests.
Saliva is really unique to us as individuals. So it's actually impacted by the foods we eat, the exercise that we participate in, even supplements that we take. So when you think about that, as individuals, we spend a lot of time and money taking care of ourselves. This is a way to actually test to see what is the impact on our bodies. And what's great about it is it's non-invasive. So you're not going to run to the doctor and get blood tests and workups on a weekly basis to see how your health is being impacted by your wellness and well-being programs. However, with saliva, you can do that. So you can personalize what you want to test. It can be predictive in terms of what you're trying to learn, and it's an education tool. So saliva testing in this capacity is not really meant to diagnose anything. It's meant to educate you and provide you with knowledge and really data points about your own health so that you can make wise decisions as a healthcare consumer.
The mission at eNano Health is to provide consumers with a progressive and non-invasive way to be more educated and aware of the impact our lifestyle choices have on our wellness and well-being. Their saliva testing kit is one tool that can help individuals on their journey to better health.
I started working with eNano Health about 10 years ago because they had a tool to help us determine the glucose levels in our clients that we were testing for corporate wellness. So we had an amazing opportunity to work with a nonprofit company that works with young adults with ID, intellectual disability. We worked together because they were trying to figure out a way to test their individuals in a safe environment, something that they would be willing to do to just make sure that everybody stayed healthy through the cold and flu season. We found a lot of information with working with this group because we had infection. We had infection that required someone to go to the doctor. And we caught illness that probably wouldn't have come up until the person was pretty sick, but we were able to just see that inflammation peak, and the person went to the doctor and got on a treatment plan and didn't have an episode.
These are kits that help to test wellness and well-being data points. I'm talking about things like cortisol, which helps to identify stress, the impact of stress in your body. Amino acids, which are certainly building blocks that we all need to understand in our body, but they also are like a predictive window to future healthcare issues. So knowing what's going on inside your body with your amino acids is a big part of personal health care. So these are very easy to use. You order them online, they come to your home. You take the saliva test in the privacy of your own home, and then you mail it back. Your results are then uploaded to a personalized app that you can keep track of the tests you currently have taken and future tests. And you can share those with people, healthcare practitioners, with wellness practitioners, with family members that may be participating in a wellness and well-being program with you. So very simple, very affordable, very easy to use. eNano Health started in the United States as a medical health records technology company. And really, what made them different is they wanted to look at how they could get the most data points in a medical record to help the physicians make better clinical decisions about their patients. And that's where they started to look at what are simple ways to test to get more data points that help a patient to understand not that they have disease, but what they can be doing to prevent disease, right? And to take better care of their personal health. If you look at the data points going into a robust database and what they can learn from that, when they see and have enough data gathered, they can say, okay, when it looks like this is an indicator of cancer or an indicator of another disease that we may not be aware of at this point. So there's unlimited opportunities for saliva and other testing that eNano is very excited about.
To learn more about eNano Health and their self-testing kits, visit eNanoHealth.com.